Okay, I have to show you this because it's one of those sets that makes you actually want to get outside and garden. This is a complete gardening tool set that was sent to me to try out, and right out of the box, I love how organized everything is. You get a sturdy tote with multiple pockets plus all the essentials: a hand trowel, transplanter, cultivator, weeder, hand rake, pruning shears, gloves, plant labels, a spray bottle, and even a repotting mat. Everything has its own place, which means no more digging through drawers or losing tools halfway through a project. The bag itself is waterproof, holds a lot without feeling bulky, and feels durable enough to keep up season after season. I also love that this feels like a 3-in-1 set. It's storage, organization, and a full starter toolkit all in one. Whether you're brand new to gardening, getting back into it, or just want everything in one grab-and-go spot, this makes it easy. Huge thank you to the brand for sending this over to me to unbox and share. I can already tell this is going to be a go-to once gardening season is in full swing.